Hello! Welcome to science class. Meow.
Hello everyone, welcome to science class. Today's topic is entitled Essential Things to the Life of an Animal. These are the vocabularies of this topic. Please write the vocabularies in your notebook and then you write the Thai translation of each word so that you can understand the meaning. You can use Google Translator to translate from English to Thai. I'll read number 1. Essential. Essential. 2. Not essential. Not essential. 3. Necessary. Necessary. 4. Not necessary. Not necessary. 5. To live. To live. 6. To grow. To grow. 7. To survive. To survive. 8. Important. Important. 9. To breathe. To breathe. 10. To eat food and drink water. To eat food and drink water. So you have to practice on how to read the vocabularies and record yourself while you are reading the vocabularies and send your video to teacher Yang, because most of you did not send your worksheets and videos to my line. Maybe you cannot scan my line ID, my QR code. So you better first send your videos and your answers to teacher Yang if you cannot scan my QR code. But if you can scan my QR code, you better send it to me directly. But if you cannot, send it to teacher Yang first, and then teacher Yang will just forward your videos and your answers to my line. So living creatures need this. First is we have food. Okay, living things, creatures need food to survive. Living creatures need water to survive. Okay, we have need food to survive, need food to eat. In order to survive, they need water to drink. In order to survive, they need air to breathe. In order to survive, and they need habitat, a place in order to rest, and they also need soil, okay, so that some living things can grow the plants. Right, next is what is the source of light? The source of light is the sun, okay, the sun. Now we have in the picture we have lion and zebra. Is it the lion here is the predator and the zebra here is the prey? A lion eat the zebra, okay? Is it necessary? Yes, it's necessary so that the lion can survive. Though the zebra will die, but for the lion it is necessary to hunt zebra so that the lion can survive. Okay, next one we have cow graze grass in the meadow. Okay, is it necessary? Yes, necessary that the cow is a herbivore. The cow just eats plants to survive, so it's necessary. We have also bird eat worm. Is it necessary? Yes, if there is no other food, because bird is an omnivore. Bird eats plant and meat, so if she can eat worm, why not? If she see worm and it's an opportunity for her to eat that living thing. Though the worm will lose his life, but the bird will live. Okay, it's necessary for the bird so that she can live, she can survive. Next one, we have drink water. Is it necessary for the cow to drink water? Yes, necessary. Drink water, the cows drink water to survive. We have also a squirrel. Squirrel drink water. Is it necessary? Yes, this living thing like squirrel needs water to survive. What about the black-tailed godwit? Is it necessary to drink water? Yes, it's necessary. Otherwise, they will, or she will die. What about the animals? Like animals live in the soil. They can breathe by emerging the surface of soil. They breathe between the soil particles of the soil. Like, have you think of yourself, where do earthworms breathe when they are in the soil? When they are on the soil or under the soil, they breathe where? They breathe in emerging surface. Okay, there are sometimes the soil have cracked, so they just used to breathe, or sometimes the soil have a surface. Okay, as you can see, there is a small hole in the soil. They used to breathe there. Okay, small particles in the soil. If you look at the soil, there are three. Last time we talked about types of soil when you were in grade 4. Types of soil, there are 3. They have clay, loamy, and sandy. But each soil have particles. Okay, and the earthworm breathe between the soil particles of the soil, or they also breathe in emerging the surface of the soil. Okay, that's the life of an earthworm. Next one, what about the fish? Do you know where do the fish breathe? They breathe also in the water. They can breathe by emerging. Okay, they will emerge the surface of the water. Okay, so this is the surface of the water. Okay, when they swim, going deeper, it's not a surface, that's a ground of the water, and here is the surface of the water. They used to breathe. As you can see, the tilapia fish, okay, they used to breathe in the surface of, or they used to emerge the surface of the water. Earthworm from the ground. An earthworm emerges from the ground. Okay, they just used to emerge from the ground or breathe from the ground. What about the turtle? Turtle emerges from the water. Okay, they swim under the water, and also when they likes to breathe, they will go to the surface of the water. They will go here and breathe in here. Okay, that's the life of, that's how the turtle breathes. Next one, also we have fish. Already that one. When a fish wants to emerge from the water, the fish will just go in. This is the surface of the water in this area here. Right? They will breathe and swim back. Now we will go. You go to your book page 93 and 94. You answer your book page 93 and 94. Okay? And your homework is you have to answer page 95. Do animals need food? Explain. Okay? You have to write your explanation in a sentence. Okay? Do animals need food? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Okay? Do animals need water? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Do not only answer yes. Okay? Just support your answer. If you answer yes, because, you have to write yes, because, Next one, where do animals that live in the soil get their air from? Where do they get their air from? For example, an earthworm. Where do they breathe? Where do they get air from? Okay, I'll just discuss a while ago. What do water animals do when they need air? Okay, like for example, the fish. What do they need? What do they do when they need air? And the summary of the activity is number 5. The essential things for the living things are, I read that a while ago. It's in the second slide of this topic. The essential things for the living things are, we have food. Okay, just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just write 5. Those are the essential things that are very essential for the living things. And after that, you take picture of your answer and send your photo and video to teacher Ying. Okay, so thank you so much for listening and have a good day everyone. Bye bye.